Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we are again in our series of bandwidth management in Mikrotik. In this video, I will show you guys configurations in Mikrotik that will solve the issue on buffer bloat. What is buffer bloat? Buffer bloat is the undesired latency caused by a network equipment buffering an excessive amount of data. It is an issue that causes latency spikes when a device on the network uploads or downloads files. This is the reason why you occasionally stutter on your video or audio calls and your online browsing is slow. Video games also is lag. For this demonstration, I will show you guys Cake in simple queue configuration. This setup is in Router OS version 7.8. What is Cake? Cake stands for Common Applications Kept Enhanced. First, we will test what is the performance of the setup without any bandwidth management. To do buffer bloat test, we will use this website https://www.waveform.com/tools/bufferbloat. We will now do the testing. As what you can see, the result of our buffer bloat test is only grade A. We will note this result and compare it to the new result after we do bandwidth management. We will now do the bandwidth management configuration. You need to know first your raw internet bandwidth before we proceed. In my case, my bandwidth is 30 megabits per second download and 30 megabits per second upload. I already prepared here a script. We will just copy and paste it to our new terminal, then press enter. As what you can see, the script loaded successfully. We will check in queue type for the content of the configuration. We will check in simple queue also for the content of the configuration. As what you can see, there is a notification in our simple queue. This is because we set the Cake bandwidth in queue type configuration. This is just fine. We will restart our device. Let's wait for the device to finish restarting. Alright. We are now connected again to our device. Let's now do again the buffer bloat test. Alright, as what you can see, the result of our buffer bloat test is now A+. Having this result, buffer bloat has been solved. Therefore, you can now have a better network performance. This configuration assumes that there is no problem with your internet connection. As what you can see, this setup is simple. No mangles and only minimal configuration in queues. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please also hit that notification bell, so you can be notified to my new videos. Bye for now and have a nice day.